Hello, craft enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of paper engineering with a tutorial on how to create a delightful origami elephant. So let's get started. Origami is an ancient and traditional Japanese art form. That involves folding paper into various shapes. Without the use of glue or scissors. Elephants, with their long trunks and majestic natural presence, are one of the most popular subjects in origami. We start with a square sheet of paper. And proceed with patience and precision through the folding steps. Each fold, twist, and press brings us closer to the final elephant shape. This process is not only an artistic activity, but also a practice in patience. Accuracy and focus by following our step-by-step instructions. You will be able to craft her. Charming paper elephant with intricate and delicate details. This video is suitable for all ages. And can serve as an enjoyable family activity. Or a classroom project to enhance children's fine motor skills. Join us and witness the transformation of a simple, sheet of paper into a breathtaking living creature. This origami experience is not only fun, but also enhances your problem-solving skills. Hand-eye coordination and cognitive abilities, so don't miss out on this origami experience. Join our community of paper artists. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more crafty fun ideas, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy crafting, everyone!